17 Court Watch now. Closing arguments have concluded in the murder trial of Wendy Howard, the woman accused of shooting and killing her ex-boyfriend Kelly Pitts in Tehachapi in 2019 after confronting him over his alleged sexual abuse of their teenage daughter. Now the case is in the hands of the jury. Howard claimed she shot Pitts in self-defense as he hit her foot on an ATV during an argument. But prosecution witnesses testified Pitts wasn't facing Howard when he was shot. Defense attorney Tony Lidgett maintains Howard feared for her life, but prosecutor Eric Smith says Howard decided to handle matters by herself and delivered vigilante justice.
We have no idea in what order anything occurred. We have no idea. All we know is that Wendy was scared, and at that time she pulled out the gun and she's backing up. She's not coming towards him. Why do you back up? Because you're scared.
Where should Kelly Pitts be right now? He should be in prison. He should be in a 6-foot by 8-foot cell. That's where he should be right now. He should not be dead. He should not be buried 6 feet under.
Wendy Howard faces up to 50 years to life in prison if convicted of first-degree murder. However, the jury can consider lesser charges, including second-degree murder, voluntary manslaughter, or involuntary manslaughter.
All right, joining us now on set, 17's Jason Katowski, who covers the courts for our digital team. Jason, we heard snippets there from closing arguments. What else did the prosecution tell the jury during its closing argument today?
Prosecutor Eric Smith said that Kelly Pitts was a child molester. He had previously beaten Wendy Howard when they dated in the early 2000s, but he said that did not give Howard the right to confront him and gun him down on June 5th, 2019. He said that text messages and Howard's interviews with police show her state of mind, that she was angry, that she wanted vengeance, and that she talked about doing the right thing or what was right for her. Smith said Howard didn't believe Tehachapi police would gather enough information to arrest him for the molestation of their teenage daughter. Both before and after the shooting, she swore at him and called him a child molester. And after shooting him, she also said, "You deserve to die." The law doesn't allow for a person to claim self-defense if they create the situation that results in them having to act in self-defense. And Smith said in this case, Howard initiated the confrontation, wanting to provoke Pitts, and then fatally shot the unarmed man.
So how did the defense follow that? What did they say to the jury to try and spare Wendy Howard?
Tony Lidgett talked about the love that a parent has for their child and how a parent will do anything to protect their child. He said in this case, Howard had found out that a second daughter of hers had been molested by Pitts. And her eldest daughter was molested by him years ago, but there wasn't enough evidence to bring him to bring charges. So now she found out a second daughter had been molested. He said it's not politically correct to say this, but some people do deserve to die. And he talked about the lasting effects of the abuse perpetrated by Pitts. He called him a monster and an animal, and he said Howard did fire in self-defense, having previously been abused by him, and she did fear for her life.
So Wendy Howard's fate now in the hands of that jury.
Yes, the jury got the case at about 1:45 and deliberated for about an hour. They'll return tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. to continue deliberations.
All right. We know you'll be watching it every step of the way and bring it to us.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, Jason.
Thank you.